says that the Prime Minister is not OBC by birth. The BJP has decided to fact-check Rahul Gandhi. We have our senior executive editor Padmaja Joshi joining us with the documentary proof. Very interesting. Rahul Gandhi, Padmaja says this was done by the then BJP government in 2000. The BJP has come out with this documentary proof, says it actually happened in 1994 under Congress's watch.
Absolutely. राहुल गांधी very interestingly said कि आपका भयंकर बेवकूफ बनाया जा रहा है. नरेंद्र मोदी को बीजेपी ने OBC बनाया, but factually that is incorrect, because let's show you what the documents tell us. Now here, Kritsween, in Gujarati is the notification that was issued by the Gujarat government on the 25th of July 1994. Here, pay attention to this part. Right here where my finger is. Here, the Teli Mod Ghanchi, this particular community was added to the OBC category by the government of Gujarat in July 1994. The most important thing that must be noted here, that at the time that this was done, that Mr. Modi's community, Mr. Modi's caste, which is Teli Ghanchi, was added to the OBC list. There was a Congress government in Gujarat. So if there is anyone to thank for including the Teli Ghanchi caste in the OBC list to which Mr. Modi belongs, it is Mr. Chabir Das Mehta, who was the chief minister of a Congress government that was in power in Gujarat in July 1994. This is when the Teli Ghanchi caste came to be included in the OBC category. What Mr. Gandhi was talking about, in fact, was this particular list, where in 1999, subsequently in 1999, the center on October 27, here if you'll see here, Ghanchi Muslims, here see point 23, the Muslim Ghanchi and the Teli Ghanchi, Mod Ghanchi and Mali, they were subsequently by the center included. If you see, अन्य पिछड़े वर्ग की केंद्रीय सूची. So in the अन्य पिछड़े वर्गों की केंद्रीय सूची, which is the central list for the other backward caste or the OBC list, here you had Ghanchi Muslim, Teli Ghanchi, Mod Ghanchi and Mali added. This was done on the 27th of October 1999. So already in 1994, the state list had notified Teli Ghanchis as OBCs, and then in 1999, it was done by the central government, at which time Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. So to say that the Teli Ghanchis or Mr. Modi's community was turned into OBCs by the BJP is factually incorrect. It was done as early as 1994 by the state government of Gujarat, where the Congress was in power, and that is the factual position. Remember, Kritsween, earlier, this comes in the backdrop of a fierce fight. Over the last 6 months, the Congress single-mindedly has tried to make the caste census as their election plan. First, with Karpuri Thakur being given the Bharat Ratna, then with Nitish Kumar, the man who got the caste census done in his state and released the results on October 2 last year, crossing over into the NDA, the Congress has found itself on the back foot. And that's why Rahul Gandhi now resorts to a personal attack. This weakening of their poll plank, in fact, was underlined by the Prime Minister himself when he was speaking in the Lok Sabha, and this is what he told the opposition about their caste census demand and their poll plank.